Hello friends, welcome back to Surya Chess. So today again I am making another YouTube video that too only for showing you the victory. So I'm very happy to share the another victory that is the biggest victory I would say because I never beaten the Grandmaster title. So the Human Grandmaster title. So that is the one with I own that game. I was just streaming over there, and at the time of stream I got to play against the woman grandmaster Nirjana Medik. So I'll quickly show you the video what has happened, the live game, and then the analysis over there, and then I'll show you the FIDE profile of her. So let's quickly go with the game live game. Guys, I got WGM for a 5 minute match, and she is playing. He or she, sorry, I don't know. Okay, what to react for F5? Let me just check out the profile. Mirjana Medik. Yeah, she is a WJ means yeah, it's a she. Yeah. So okay, maybe let's go with this way only. I mean, well. Okay, I guess I will go with the G2. Okay, I'll go with my normal setup. I don't want to disturb the setup, so let's go with this. So guys, I'm happy. I'm in sleeping mode, but I got WGM, and let's castle. This is something really problem when rook lifts. So maybe I can go. Hello, Mary. Hola, how are you? Can I go with this for now? Hello, Ranjan. How are you? So I'm playing. When I just started a stream and I got a WGM to play with me. Can I go with this? No, I can't go with that. Can I go with this? Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, I was not thinking to stream, but again, if I thought to, it's been a long and I got some time, so thought to go with the stream, and that's the reason I'm here. And I got WGM, so I'm happy at least. Just can go with that way or this way or just push over here. Hey, Anya. I'm good, Mary. How are you? I need to learn Spanish, how to speak, how are you, and all. So I will I'll definitely learn that. I'm good, Ania. Welcome back. So I'm happy that you came along. Okay, Ranjan, thank you for joining. I will play with you after this game. Oh my, that's okay. I don't remember exactly that. What exactly the meaning of it. So Ranjan, you are the first one, but I guess you already beaten the Rutsi many times, so I don't think so that that is something I can I can try to give you the good game. So Anya, how's going your work and all? It's been a long. Okay, she just exchanged everything, not everything, but my good bishop over there, which was eyeing over here. Now maybe she can plan with this stuff. Okay. Uh, Somewhat good means what? What exactly you are trying to say? Mary, you are already part of Discord. I guess that link is working or not. I need to check, but I am damn sure that is working. Can I go here? Maybe push something. I guess I need to come here first, but my phone is not that. It's 5 plus 0, I guess. Yeah, it's 5 plus 0. Yeah, Mary, I guess I already joined your Discord as well, and I guess we are only there. So we need more people. Okay, I don't know what to play here. Okay, go with this. I'll simply go with this. Try to exchange or attack here. Maybe after push, maybe somewhere around this. Let's see. Okay. Maybe just go here. Not sure it's correct line or not, but keeping rook in the line will help me with this stuff. Capture, capture. Oh, okay. Shall I just capture this? I guess this is a free for now. Yeah, I guess I can take that. Let's see, let's see. I am not sure. I'm little. Okay, I'll need to play fast now. I'll play fast. I'm eyeing here now with the mating threat. Oh, can you believe this? Chat, can you believe this? Can you believe this? Oh my god. I can't believe. OMG. How can WGN can make such a blunder? So let's quickly do the analysis of this game. So I guess I can play better in sleeping mode. What do you say, Ranjan? I will play with you after this analysis. So I'll quickly do the analysis and let's check out. I see only one mistake. Oh no! Yeah, I still see one mistake, but it's having 93% accuracy. Let me show you from where I can show. Yeah, you see here, it's a 93% accuracy for me, but again, it's not full screen. Maybe from here, yeah. So she's having 37% accuracy. So oh my god, I can't believe that. But okay, let's come back. Yeah, let's come back and see. I did received. Okay, Prashant has challenged me, but I need to tell him that I am live here on stream. I guess everything was fine here. Yeah, I was thinking here to either go with the d4 or go with this way. So then here I don't know, but yeah, I played this line just to see, and I just pushed it, and then here probably I should have. Oh yeah, I should have taken that. But again, I guess I was thinking not to go with that line, and I went for the development stuff. So just capture, and I know that she was coming here to pick my bishop, but I said let it be. Let's go with some idea, and I just picked back. And then here probably, oh yeah, I found this good move. Okay, I was thinking what to play and all. So yeah, this one was a good move. And then yeah, this one was quite possible actually. This takes, and maybe I could go with this way or just pick this or something like that is possible. What engine is suggesting? Yeah, king takes, that's okay. But after that, queen to 8, yeah, unpinning, and then I can simply e takes d7, yeah. And here maybe knight takes d7 is quite possible, and yeah, this line is going on further. Maybe we'll not go in that depth. So here I see this is a mistake, and I wanted to take actually the pawn, but I thought not to take and go here and then later on take. And if takes or maybe takes something like that, I'll be having this mating threat. But here itself he blundered and I found this. Oh my god, so I'm happy with that. Thank you so much for playing. What is the name of the WGM? Let's just find. Mirjana, thank you so much for playing from Croatia. I don't know where is the place. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. So before closing that, let's quickly go back and check out her profile. So this is the profile. When I was going through, I was shocked that she is a woman grandmaster and how she made a blunder. But again, she has her date of birth here is 1964. So that means she is almost, can say, 36 and almost near around 55 50 plus. So but again, if you see her ratings, it's 20 54 21 54 in a blitz and 2200 in a rapid. And again, she got the grandmaster title in 1999. So that is something, great. And then I'm just happy that I was able to beat her. So yeah. So guys, let me know in the comments how was the video, how was the game, and how the new way of making the video. How you do you like this way of making the full screen and then followed by the stuff. So do let me know in the comments how it's going. I'm waiting for your response, guys. And do follow, subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.